about the last time technology let you down in front of a room full of people. A screen that wouldn't connect. A tool that needed 10 steps to do one thing. A lesson or a presentation interrupted by the very device that was supposed to help. That frustration is exactly why Calltech exists. My name is Ankita and I lead customer success at Calltech Global, a company that designs and manufactures interactive display technology from the ground up. We are the manufacturer designed in Canada, built in our own facilities in India and Vietnam. Every decision, every component, every standard is ours. That is what makes Calltech different. This is our interactive flat panel display, and over 2 videos I want to show you everything it can do. In this video, we are going to cover the foundation, the hardware that makes this panel best in class, the display that sets a standard others don't match, the software that keeps it future ready, and the day-to-day system experience that makes teachers and teams actually want to use it every single day. Let's get into it. Everything starts with what you can touch. The physical panel is your first signal of quality, and with Calltech, it shows from the moment you see it. The Calltech IFPD is built on a premium metal body with toughened glass. It's engineered for the demands of a busy classroom or a high-traffic meeting room. Durable, professional, and built to last for years. Right here, a 48-megapixel ultra-clear camera. Whether you're running a hybrid class with remote students or a global team call, every face is sharp and every detail is crisp. Audio matters. Our 40-watt built-in speakers fill any room. No external sound system needed. And for voice capture, 8 microphone arrays ensure the teacher at the back of the room is heard just as clearly as someone standing right in front of the panel. Connectivity includes USB 2.0, USB 3.0, Type-C and HDMI input and output. Connect a laptop, a document camera, a microscope. Whatever your workflow demands, we have a port for it. And this small detail says a lot, a magnetic pen holder. Because the best technology is also thoughtful technology. Great hardware deserves a great screen. Because no matter how powerful the software, everything a teacher or presenter creates is ultimately experienced through the display. And this is where Calltech sets a standard that others simply don't match. The Calltech IFPD is available in sizes from 65 inches all the way up to 110 inches. Whether you're outfitting a small group room, a large classroom, or an auditorium, there is a size built for that space. The display delivers 4K Ultra HD resolution, meaning every image, every piece of text, every video is razor sharp, even when you're sitting at the back of the room. In a classroom of 40 students or a boardroom of 20, everyone sees exactly what they need to see. The toughened glass has an anti-glare finish, so even in rooms with strong overhead lighting or direct sunlight through windows, the screen stays clear and readable. And here's something that matters especially in schools. The Calltech IFPD has a built-in eye care mode with blue light protection. Prolonged screen exposure is a real concern for students and teachers. Our panel is designed with that in mind, protecting eyes during long sessions without compromising display quality. You've seen the hardware, you've seen the display. Now let's talk about the brain behind it all. Because a panel is only as powerful as the software running on it. The Calltech IFPD comes pre-installed with Android 14, fast, intuitive, and optimized for touch. It's upgradable to Android 16, so the panel stays current as technology evolves. The interface is clean and familiar. Teachers and presenters pick it up in minutes with no training needed. The panel also supports a window OPS module as an add-on option. The OPS slots directly into the panel, giving you full Windows functionality alongside Android. Switch between the two seamlessly, so a teacher running interactive lessons on Android in the morning and an administrator needing Excel and PowerPoint in the afternoon are both served by the same panel without compromise. The panel supports wireless screen sharing. Teachers and presenters can mirror their laptop or phone screen directly to the panel without a single cable. Walk into the room, connect, and start presenting. For IT teams managing large deployments across a school campus or multiple office locations, the Caltech IFPD supports remote device management. Panels can be monitored, updated, and configured centrally. No need to visit each panel individually. And on security, the panel includes password protection, giving administrators the confidence that content and data are always protected. Specs matter, but what really determines whether a panel succeeds in a school or an office is something simpler. Does it feel easy? Does a teacher actually want to use it every day? That's what I want to show you now, because the best technology is the kind that gets out of your way. When the panel powers on, you land on a clean, intuitive Android home screen. Everything is organized, everything is accessible, and a teacher who has used an Android phone or tablet will feel at home within minutes. No steep learning curve, no IT support needed just to get started. The panel comes with essential apps, pre-installed and ready to use. A browser for research, YouTube for video content, a file manager to access saved lessons and materials, and a gallery for images and recordings. Everything a teacher needs is already there on day one. And because this runs full Android, teachers have access to the Google Play Store. Any subject-specific app, any platform your school already uses, science simulations, coding tools, language apps. If it exists on Android, it runs here. Split screen lets you run two apps simultaneously, a video on one side, the whiteboard on the other, and wireless screen mirroring works both ways. Teachers mirrors their laptop or a student mirrors their phone to share their work with the class. No cables, no delays. This is the day-to-day experience of the Caltech IFPD. Not just a powerful panel, a genuinely easy one. So, that is the foundation of the Caltech interactive flat panel display. The hardware, the display, the software, and the system experience that everything else is built on. And in the next video, we go inside the board, live demos, AI that thinks with the teacher, and tools that change what a classroom or training room can actually do. It is the part of the Caltech story that has to be seen to be believed. If you're ready, the link is right there. And if you have already seen enough to want a conversation, visit caltechglobal.com or reach out to our team directly. We are ready when you are.